Very happy with the service from Mike. Came right over immediately, faster than I thought he would, and took care of my garage door for a great affordable price. Very happy.
Doctor came out, fixed my garage door opener in less than 10-15 minutes. The experience was great. Service is great. They know what they're doing.
Okay.
I had wonderful service today from my tech. He replaced the unit I had and spent a lot of time and was very patient explaining everything to me. I would definitely use him again.
My name is Rodell, and I just want to let you know that Mike, my technician, professional job, recommend him, and the job will be done in no time.
All right, so I just got my garage door fixed. The spring broke. It was actually a 25-year-old garage door, and Mike at Garage Door Doctors helped fix it pretty quickly and knew what to do, and it was a good job.
Mike did a great job, so I can recommend him personally to everybody.
Hi, I'm Peggy. Garage Door Doctors came and fixed my door for me, and they did a wonderful job, and I'm happy.